Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today's video is a messy kitchen here right now. So today's video is, I think, better for me now to make some baked red velvet, guys. So cupcake lang yung gagawin natin. So first thing first, I got some 3 eggs here. 3 eggs. So, hindi mo makita. May 3 eggs ako dito, guys. And then, try na nating blend. So, before I start this video, guys, I make already some banana cake. Just I put inside the oven. So, we will see after. Then, I show you, guys. So, sorry for the mess kitchen again. You know me, when the kitchen is really messy. Couple of days, I'm really busy because, you know, I study online. I got my online courses, quizzes, and everything. Before that, before you get some certificates online, guys. So, you need to do the quizzes, lots of quiz, sore head, you know. Really sore head. So finally it's already done. So I am waiting for my job, and finally I got new job, guys. So finally done and everything. So I'm waiting for my induction for that. So maybe this week. So you will know if I'm not really active here because, you know, I am busy. You see, my piece is haggard. Last Friday, I'm done my exams online and everything. So now I have time for the kitchen and to bake some cakes or pancakes, whatever. So that's it now. So I'll start to do it now, guys. So I'll show you after my banana cake. Just only, I think, 12 pieces or less than 12 pieces. Just only 2 bananas, guys. So we'll see after. So for now, I'll bake another one cake because I know husband missed this because couple of days I'm busy, so I'm not doing this, so I missed this, you know. So it started now. My camera is too high. So I don't have flour, guys. So that's it. Too messy in my kitchen. So I don't have flour, guys. Instead of my flour, I use this, guys, red velvet. So I use this already, and I have already prepared. The rain is coming, so I put this, guys. I put this now. Oh. And then 1 cup of water, and then I put a bit sugar. I know, not sugar, sorry, oil or butter. Oil or butter you put, guys. This is we use. So start. So I check my things inside. Let's see, guys. So I put, guys, bango niya sobra. So I don't have some ice cream serving spoon, what you call that. So I use guys. So I'll show you after. So guys, I already filled in. So I show you my cooking there. So guys, this is my cooking for my banana cake. Wow, just 2, 4, 6, 8 pieces just. So it's really warm. So I put this inside everyone. Let's see. I'm trying to remove, guys. It's really warm. Laki niya, guys. Grabe. Tingnan nyo, guys. This is my banana cake. Grabe. Sobrang laki. My ingredients is just only 2 bananas, guys. And my flour is already done, so I need to buy next time. Warm. Yummers. Husband not eat, guys. Oh. Yummy. Tataba na sobra. Warm. Just only this, guys. Ta-da! So I make my second batch for my cake. Good. I show you after, guys. So so ito yung gina-use ko, guys. You need to pull. Ayan. So after that, it really smells good. Banana cake. Supposed to be, I go with this, the other one. I'm late. It's fine. Nearly done. Soon time to eat them, guys. Banana cake. Husband don't like to eat banana cake. Wow, it's warm. I forgot to buy pot holder. It's already done. Hindi siya masyadong umalsa, guys. So, drink muna tayo water. Tingnan mo, guys, oh. Yung dahon ng, ano to siya, guys, is dahon ng sili, capsicum. So, kinain ng mga snail sa labas, guys. Napakadami kinain niya. And then, ito yung rose natin, guys, oh. Rose. So, ayan, pretty siya, guys. Nilipat ko naman. Yung isa na yun, hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan. Yung iba kong flower, guys, nasa labas. So, yung strawberry ko pala, guys, is mag-ano na siya, magbubunga na. So, we see that. So, hindi sa masyado, guys, na umalsa. Yung isa, umalsa sa talaga. I-separate ko lang ito, guys, kasi sa akin ito. Ako yung kakain. So, my husband don't want to eat this. Only me. Hi, guys. This all today, my bake. Ito yung lahat, guys. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you our next vlog. Bye.